Hello? It can't be true! It's National Waffle Iron Day! And to celebrate, I've gathered a group of friends and we're making dishes that you can make inside of a waffle iron. Guess what I'll be making? I'll be making waffle iron crab cakes. Let's do it! Start with a small bowl. I need 1 egg. I need some black pepper and some curry powder. Beat it together. Grab a medium bowl. I'm using a can of crab meat. Add it to the bowl. About a ½ cup of breadcrumbs. A little chopped green pepper. I'm going to add some cilantro. Let's mix that together. Add the egg mixture, and I'm going to stir it gently to incorporate it evenly. Grab your waffle maker, put it on high, and let's spray it on both sides. Add on your mix and cook it for 3 minutes. For the sauce, I'll need some mayonnaise mixed with a couple drops of sriracha. Give it a mix. Add on that sauce. Waffle iron crab cakes. It's good. I think that curry really gives it a good flavor. But I taste the crab and it's a nice sauce. I think I'm going to give it a 7.3 out of 10. It was easy. The waffle iron is so exciting to celebrate, and to see more people that are a part of this waffle iron collaboration, you'll have to check out the playlist in my description. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. What do you call a motorcycle with a sense of humor? A Yamaha ha ha.